Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a smoky eye look using the Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsessions palette, which you might recall from my Abu Dhabi haul. So I'm going to start with some concealer, and this is the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer in the shade Toasted Almond, and I'm using this as a base all over my eyelids. And this just creates a really nice even base for my eyeshadow to go on. Next, I'm going to use the Nykaa Brow Filler and the Nykaa Brow Mascara. I'm first using the filler to fill in the gaps in my brows, and this is a powder product and I love that little applicator. And then once I have done that, I'm going to move on to the brow mascara and just brush my hair upward and outward. These are my two favorite products from the new Nykaa brow launches and the ones that I would recommend. Next, I'm going to use the Sapphire Obsessions palette by Huda Beauty. I'm starting with this navy matte blue, and I was just so completely blown away by the color payoff. This applies just so beautifully. It's so easy to blend. Next, I'm taking that matte turquoise color to smoke out the color in the crease and give it a bit of a transition. I'm also taking that dark navy color along my lower lash line. Next, I'm going to use the Colorbar Just Smoky Kajal and apply this quite thickly along my lower lash line and waterline, and then smoke it out using an angled brush. And then I'm using the color from the center of the palette to add a bit of shimmer, and I'm just patting this color in the center of the lid. Then for the face, I used the Beauty Blender Bounce Foundation. You might remember this from my Abu Dhabi haul. I found it quite high coverage, but the shade was just a tiny bit light for me. Then for the lip, I used the shade Evocative Mauve from Maybelline. I really love this nude pink. And then I added Euro Trash by NYX, which is a peachy pink gloss and gives you just a really wet, shiny finish. I also used a bit of the same lip color on my cheeks as a cream blush. Then to finish off the eye look, I used the Sephora Outrageous Oversized Lashes, and I love this mascara. It just gives you so much drama and adds lots of length. I'm using this on the top as well as the bottom lashes. And because this is a dramatic look, I will be using a pair of false eyelashes later. Then for the contouring bit, I'm using this bronzing powder by Bobbi Brown, which adds just a very subtle shadow. I'm really loving this product at the moment. I used it along my jawline as well as under my cheekbones. And then for the blush, I used this one by Nykaa because I wanted something very subtle, just a very soft wash of pink, nothing too dramatic. And then for the highlight, I used the MAC Hyper Real Glow palette, which is one of my favorite highlighters. I cannot recommend it enough, and you get 3 shades in the palette. For the inner corner highlight, I used this shimmery turquoise color, which completed the look. I'm so blown away by the quality of these eyeshadows. I'm hoping they'll launch in India soon. And then to finish off the eyes, I just used a little bit of highlighter on my fan brush to highlight my brow bone. And as the final last step for the eyes, I used a pair of Ardell Wispy lashes, which you can get on Nykaa now, although I had picked mine from the US. And that is my final finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.